Good morning children, how are you all? I'm your Madhina ma'am. Today I'm going to teach you maths. You already learned numbers, number names? No? Okay, right. Today I'm here with a topic. You just see, okay? You have to say. What is this? What is this? Yes, H-A-P-E-S. Can you read this? Can you read this? What is this? Shapes. What? Shapes. Okay. I think you already studied in your LKG. Today we can study it. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, listen. I'll show you one thing. What is this? What is this? Can you see this? Can you see this? What is this? Yes, right. What is this? Bread. I'll draw the shape of this bread. You just listen. What is the shape of this bread? This one. What is the name of it? You know? What is the name? Square. Yes. Q U A R E. Square. What? Square. What is this? Square. What is this? Square. What? Square. Are you saying? Okay. Then, my dear children, what is this? Can you see this? You all know this. No, you all familiar with this. What is this? Yes, mobile phone. Shall I draw the shape of this phone? Shall I draw? Okay, listen. Yes, this is the shape of this phone. What is this? Rectangle. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Square, rectangle. Square, rectangle. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. But square has same side. Rectangle 2 sides are equal. 2 long side and 2 short side. Okay? Okay? Square, rectangle, square, rectangle. Very good. Are you tired? My dear children, are you tired? Shall I sing one rhyme for you? Shall I sing? Are you ready? Will you sing along with me? Will you sing? Okay, good. Okay? All of you stand up. Sit down, stand up, sit down. Are you ready to hear the song? Are you ready? Okay, then. First you hear what I am singing. Next you sing, okay? Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dries up the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Okay? Shall I teach you? Incy Wincy Spider. What's the name of the spider? Incy Wincy Spider. Sing. Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Climb the water spout. Climb the water spout. Down came the rain. Down came the rain and washed the poor spider. Washed the spider out. Rain came and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine. Out came the sunshine. Sun dries up the rain. Rains up the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Okay. You understood? Have you understood? Shall I teach you once more? Line by line? Okay. Sing along with me, okay? Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine, dries up the rain. Out came the sunshine and dries up the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. So, Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Shall we sing? Sing along with me, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dries up the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Are you enjoying my rhyme? Are you enjoying? My dear children, are you enjoying my rhyme? Okay? Are you relaxed now? Are you relaxed? Are you relaxed? Yes, right. Very good. Okay, shall we go to class? Shall we go to your class? Okay, say, what is this? What is this? Yes, square. What is this? Rectangle. Very good. Now you all know these two shapes now. You all know these two shapes. Shall I show you third shape? Shall I show you third shape? Okay. What is this? You all know this now? Yes. What is this? CD. Okay. Shall I draw the shape of the CD? Yes. What is this? Round. What is this? What is the name of this shape? What is the name of this shape? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. What? Circle. Circle. Very good. Next, I'll show you one thing. Can you see this? What is this? What is this? Samosa mold. You like samosa? Like samosa? Your mom will prepare now for Ramzan. Yes. What is the shape of this? Samosa mold. Can you see this? Yes. You will eat yum yum samosas now? You all like? Yes. What is the shape of that samosa? Yes. What is the shape? Say louder. Very good. The shape of samosa is triangle. T-I-T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. 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 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Shall we say this? Okay. Ma'am will show you. You have to say the shapes. Okay. good. What is this? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Very good. Now you all know the shapes very well. You all know 4 shapes. What and are they? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Very good. Ma'am will show you some things. Okay? You have to name it. And you have to say the shape of that. Will you say? Will you say? Yes. What is this? What is this? Yes, very good. Bangle. What is the shape of this? What is the shape of this? Yes, very good. It is circle. Very good. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? What is the shape of this duster? What is the shape of this duster? Yes, rectangle. Very good. Good children. And next, I'll show you this. This is a, what is the shape? What is the shape? Triangle. Very good. Okay, my dear children. Okay, you all know 4 shapes. Okay, shall I give homework for you? You take your maths note. You take your maths note and draw 2 shapes. What and all they? Square and circle. Square and circle. Will you draw? Will you draw? Yes. Very good. Take your maths note and draw 2 shapes. Square and circle. Okay. Take care. See you in next class. Okay children. Bye.